How to convert PDF to MS Word and earn money free of cost. You are watching TechPlus, how to earn money online. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more notification. In these websites, you will be able to provide your services as data entry, as file converter. I have screenshot from Fiverr.com where you can see gigs and services. Recording file conversion from PDF to Word or Word to PDF. Let's see how we can do this. Here I have two files, one PDF and one MS Word. First we open MS Word in our Office, MS Word. Here you can see Office file is open now. You have to do nothing, only go to File, Save As, select your location where you want to save your file. I am saving on desktop. Give it name and select your file type. Here you can see many types are available here. We need PDF, select PDF and save. Here your file is saved as PDF. Here you can see also on my desktop. Now we convert PDF to MS Word. Some files are easily opened in MS Word directly. Let's try this. MS Word. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable. No problem, open this. Yeah, here you can see your file is opened in MS Word, and here you can also edit. And when you want to save this file in MS Word, save as, select your location, change your file type as MS Word document and save. The file will be easily saved in MS Word. The second method I have already told in my other video. Go to my channel TechPlus. Here you can see how to convert handwriting file into Word file. With this method you can change your PDF file to the Word. Thanks for watching TechPlus Online Earning. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more notification.